Hi guys, this is Morgan. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try to show you some brush lettering techniques with these cool metallic brush pens that I found at Tuesday Morning. There's an ink in there full of glitter, so it's really cool to look at. Let's get started. I've never used a pen like this before. I really like them. They're full of ink in the bottom, and if you listen you can hear that the ink can move around, and they're refillable. And you have to squeeze them to get the ink to pour down to the top of the pen. Let's go ahead and get started. I want to try the word wonder today because I like a W because it can add a lot of bounce. I'll show you. You can go up and then down for this part and make heavy down strokes and go back up, and then I like to make this part a lot lower than the first one. And then come back up with a nice light upstroke. And for the O, you can go down for your heavy downstroke. And I like to make a bit of a loop here. And then N is kind of the same way as that W. You can add some bounce to it. And then here we'll do a D. You come up for that loop. Then come back down. And for the D, I like to go up and then go back and come back down. I kind of like the loop effect that it makes right here. And then here's an E. I come up and then stop and then make the circle for your E and then come down. That one always gives me trouble because I want to go straight into that E, but it looks better when you stop. And then here's your R. And I go up and then come down with a heavy downstroke. And there you go. Here's our word wonder. Here's the pens that I used. The brand name is just called Art. I got them at Tuesday Morning, and if you've never heard of Tuesday Morning, it's kind of like a Marshalls or TJ Maxx for home stuff, and they have a lot of arts and crafts and games and things for your house. It's a really cool store if you haven't ever been in one. These were $5.99, which is a pretty good price. They came with 3 pens. One's clear, one's the gold that we use today, and then there's a silver. I haven't used the clear and the silver yet, but I'm excited to try them out. I wanted to show a better view of this so you can see that it is metallic. This is a glitter pen. There's really tiny glitter in the ink. On the box it says that this is gold. It looks a little bit more copper to me, but either way it's still a really pretty pen, and I love how the glitter shines on the paper. Thank you guys for watching my video today. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see anything else. I can do lettering tutorials, give me a word idea or something like that. Just let me know what you want to see. Thanks guys.